Don't go away. My tip for the day on reusable shopping bags. Hi everyone, thanks for coming back to Mark and Main. This is a really quick tip. Having been in retail, I can tell you reusable shopping bags are great, but a lot of people do not wash them. Trust me, I can tell. So what I do is my cloth ones you can throw in the washing machine, you know, if they get something on them. But for my reusable ones that hold the cold items have condensation, which is generally minor, there's nothing there. All you have to do, if you get something like pork or meats, milk, whatever, and if something gets on the inside, there's a couple options. If you really need to do a little bit of extra cleaning to it, you can use soap pad, take a cloth dried out after. All I'm doing today is mine had just a little bit of condensation in from a couple meats, so I have 7th generation. So all I'm going to do is I do a couple sprays in there because there was very, very little condensation. I'm going to wipe that out. And while I'm doing that, the reason that I chose this particular item itself is I have pets. So if I want to do my countertop, I can use that, and it's safer than something toxic. So just hold that open here. And of course the key is to leave this open, let this dry, and you're all set. So I hope you like my videos. Again, thank you for watching Mark and Main. Please feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and share.